Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to change your country in Starbucks app. So we'll just click on the app here, and as you can see there's an option here. Click on this icon and click on the addresses. So I haven't added any address for now, so we'll just click on add new address. So it's basically a trick here that I will show you. You need to zoom out as far as you can. You cannot just type your country name here, it will not appear. So you need to zoom out. Okay, so we are going to move the pin here, and we will just basically put the pin on our country, and you will just need to put your house, flat number, apartment, and directions to reach, and then just click on confirm address, and it will be saved and the address will be saved. So that's how you can do it. Or you can also basically go to the Play Store and find the Starbucks app according to your country. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.